Welcome back to Linguish for the matching game. Here we go. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Okay, so can you tell me what this is?
Polo?
Okay, it's a
polo.
t-shirt.
Oh, it's a t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt.
Okay, here you go, Ben.
Okay.
What is this?
A sock.
Ah, it's a dirty sock.
It's a dirty sock.
There you go, Andrea. And what is this?
It's a scarf.
Good job, everyone.
It's a scarf.
Excellent. Okay. So, now, what animals are these? Who knows?
Gorilla.
Okay. It's a...
It's a gorilla.
Okay. What about this one?
It's a snake.
Good, everyone.
It's a snake.
Okay.
It's an elephant.
Good, everyone.
It's an elephant.
Excellent. Okay, so I want you to think. Everyone, think.
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 Okay? These animals are washing.
Washing.
Their clothes.
Their
Their
clothes.
clothes. Okay, everyone. Washing.
Washing.
Their clothes.
Their
There.
clothes.
Okay, with the rub-a-dub. 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 Washing. Washing. Rub-a-dub. Washing. Okay?
Washing.
Good. So, Ben,
Yes.
who is washing, everyone? Who
Who
is
is
washing the t-shirt?
The snake is washing the t-shirt.
What do you think?
The gorilla is washing the t-shirt.
Okay.
The elephant is washing the t-shirt.
Ah. And the winner is the gorilla.
Yay!
Is washing the t-shirt. Okay,
Gorilla.
can you give the polo, the t-shirt to
Thank you.
see? Okay, good. Ready?
Yes.
Everyone think.
Think.
Think. Okay. Who is washing the sock? Who is washing the sock?
The sock. The snake is washing the sock.
Okay, Ben?
No, the elephant is washing the sock.
Lucy? Sure.
I think the snake is washing the sock.
Okay, and the winner is the snake.
Yeah, well
Andrea can keep her sock.
done.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Smelly sock at that. We don't want it. Okay.
Yeah.
And the last is the scarf. Everyone.
Who
Who is washing the scarf? Ben.
The elephant is washing the scarf.
Okay, what do you think?
The elephant is washing the scarf.
The gorilla is washing the scarf.
Okay, and the winner is the elephant.
Oh.
Lucy, give the scarf to Ben. There
Thank
we
you.
go.
Ooh, it's a lovely scarf.
Okay, so we'll start the song.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a gorilla.
Great big gorilla.
Sorry guys, there's a great big, everyone, great
big
gorilla washing his clothes with the scrub-a-dub here and a scrub-a-dub there. That's the way he's washing his clothes. Okay, ready together?
Okay.
Down
In the jungle where nobody goes,
there's a great big gorilla washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he's washing his clothes. Excellent.
Okay.
High
Good job, guys.
five. Good job.
Okay.